99% of gym routines are completely wrong because they split your workouts. Military training works because it forces muscle and fat burn all at once. The fatal flaw of modern gyms. While most people struggle for months to lose 10 pounds, military training transforms ordinary civilians into lean, muscular warriors, insanely fast. The secret is not raw intensity. It is a hidden structural principle. If you try to copy a military routine without it, you will either burn out in weeks or see absolutely zero results. Do you know why 99% of gym programs are completely wrong? They split everything apart. Monday is chest day, Tuesday is cardio, Wednesday is legs. The military does not have that luxury. Their workouts have to build muscle, burn fat, and skyrocket endurance all at once. They use what is called compound stress training. Instead of doing bench presses, cardio, and abs separately, they stack everything into one brutal sequence. A Navy SEAL might do push-ups immediately after a 2-mile run, carry a heavy log for 100 yards, and jump straight into freezing water. This is not random torture. It is strategic overload. When you force your body to perform under these conditions, 3 incredible things happen. First, your metabolism explodes, burning calories like a nuclear reactor. Second, you build functional strength that actually matters in the real world. Third, your body becomes insanely efficient at energy recycling, allowing you to push harder, longer, and faster. The trap that destroys beginners. Here is what separates the 25% who succeed from the 75% who quit. Progression. Most people try to recreate Hell Week on day 1. That is like trying to deadlift 400 pounds when you have never touched a barbell. Do that and you will destroy yourself. You need a systematic framework. Let me show you the exact foundational blueprint you can start executing right now. Begin with a 5-minute light jog to spike your core temperature. Now, drop down. Do as many push-ups as you can with strict, perfect form. 5 or 15, it does not matter where you start. Here is where the magic happens. Do not rest. Immediately transition into bodyweight squats for 15 controlled reps. Stand up, walk around for 30 seconds. Do not sit down, just keep moving. Now, drop back down for another set of push-ups. You will notice you can do fewer this time. Good, that is the entire point. You are forcing your muscle fibers to fire when they are completely fatigued. Right after those push-ups, lock your body into a rigid plank for 20 seconds. Next, step forward into walking lunges. 10 deep steps per leg. Now, we spike the system. Drop into mountain climbers for 30 seconds. This hits your arms, core, and legs simultaneously, driving your heart rate straight through the roof. Take a 60-second active walk break. Keep moving. The mission is not over yet. Forging the warrior mindset. We enter the final gauntlet. This is where you forge unbreakable mental toughness. Drop down and hammer out 5 explosive burpees. If burpees are too advanced, swap them instantly for 45 seconds of high-speed jumping jacks. Immediately roll from those burpees into a strict bear crawl. 10 steps forward, 10 steps back. This directly mimics the brutal log carries and obstacle navigation used in special operations. Your final challenge. Find a flat wall, slide down and hold a wall sit for 45 seconds while your legs are already screaming from cumulative fatigue. Finally, bring your heart rate down with a mandatory 3-minute cool-down walk. The entire session takes less than 30 minutes. Execute this 3 times a week, ensuring at least 1 full day of rest between sessions. Every single week, add 1 or 2 reps. Start where you are, not where you wish you were. Breaking plateaus with advanced protocols. Once you master the baseline for at least 2 weeks, you can unlock advanced variations to completely shatter plateaus. Option A, the water warrior. If you have access to a pool or a lake, replace your warm-up walk with 4 minutes of swimming laps. Perform your push-ups on the wet concrete deck to destroy your grip strength, mimicking surf torture. Swap mountain climbers for 30 seconds of treading water to force your core into overdrive. Option B, the load bearer. Strap a heavy backpack loaded with 15 pounds of books onto your shoulders during all walking phases and lunges. Strip it off only for push-ups and planks to protect your joints. This builds the brutal load-bearing capacity soldiers need in combat zones. Option C, the stair attack. Replace flat walking with continuous stair climbs, executing your push-ups at the top landing and your squats at the bottom. Option D, the ground fighter. Replace all active walking recovery with low army crawls, staying inches from the ground. Swap bear crawls for crab walks with your hips elevated high. The undeniable proof. Look, I completely understand. There are thousands of fitness programs screaming for your attention. Why should you trust this one? Take Jake. He started as a classic software developer with a soft, skinny fat build and 0 upper body strength. 8 months into this exact compound progression, he completely transformed his physique. Broad, capped shoulders from relentless push-ups, shredded abs from continuous core tension, thick, powerful legs. More importantly, for the first time in his life, he felt truly dangerous. Then look at Chris, a man in his 40s carrying a heavy dad bod, convinced his best years were buried in the past. After 1 year of strategic military pacing, his physique surpassed guys half his age. This transformation is not reserved for freaks of nature. It is waiting for you. 6 months from now, you could be telling a completely different story. But that reality depends entirely on the single decision you make today.